Sweet life, sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be trying this TikTok hack that I saw using these sugar cookies that nobody likes, and we're going to turn them into heart-shaped cake pops. So stay tuned. The first thing we're going to do is get the cookies into the mixer. And then on TikTok, she added 1 block of cream cheese, but I already had cream cheese, but I have the whipped kind. So we're actually going to get them mixed up, and then we're going to add 1 cup of the whipped cream cheese that I already had, girl. This is a TikTok hack. I was not going out to buy no extra ingredients. Okay, so we got it all incorporated. And I did notice when I was watching people make this recipe on TikTok that they were kind of sticky looking. They weren't as like dry and firm as like a regular cake pop would be. So that's why I decreased the amount of cream cheese that I put in here because I didn't want mine to be as sticky. And then I also just let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then you see the texture that I came out with. I came out with more of a cake pop consistency. Theirs were very sticky and wet. So that's why I adjusted the recipe, girl, because ain't nobody got time for that. So now we're going to get these into a heart-shaped lollipop mold that I actually got. I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby, but I'll link one below in the description box as I always do. And so, like I said, I let the dough like sit out for about 30 minutes. And so a lot of the moisture is gone out of it and it firmed up a lot more. And it gave me more of a consistency of a cake pop because I noticed the ones on TikTok were very sticky. And when they were dipping them, they were falling off the stick. And I was thinking to myself, it's because it's too much liquid. It's too wet. So that's why I adjusted the recipe. And so as I'm getting them into the heart shape mold, I'm not making them super flat. Do not pat them down and try to get them like super flat unless you want yours super flat. But I wanted mine to be more like a puffy heart. So I'm getting them in there. I'm like packing it in, but I'm not going to like flatten it because I want my heart to be more puffy. I don't want it to be like completely flat. And so now I'm just going to pop these into my refrigerator for about 10 or 15 minutes just to let them firm up, as you can see. And then we're going to start to melt our almond bark. And you guys, you already know if you've been watching my videos and you're not new here, then you know I love almond bark. So originally I was going to dye the almond bark pink, but I just decided to leave it white because the heart sprinkles that I have are like pink and red. So we're just going to get that into the microwave, and then we're going to get down some parchment paper, and then we're going to insert our sticks. I ended up changing. I was originally going to use pink straws, but because the heart is more flat, I thought that the straw would be maybe too heavy, or it just, I don't know, the ratio to the heart was not, it didn't make sense to me. So I changed it to a popsicle stick. So we're actually going to get them on popsicle sticks, and then we're going to dip them into the almond bark, and we're going to get those heart sprinkles on top. And one thing you will notice while dipping these hearts is they are so much easier than dipping the actual circles, like the cake balls, because every time, no matter how many times you've done cake pops, you always have in the back of your head that you're scared that your cake pop is going to fall off the stick. And so these are so lightweight. And that's what I said, because I used the popsicle stick and I stuck it like almost all the way to the top of the heart. You see, I dropped some sprinkles in my almond bark, but that's okay. These are just for my house. So, yeah, so they were so easy and lightweight to dip. And there we have it, guys. How quick and easy and adorable are these? And my guys tried them and said they are delicious. So I hope you guys give these a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
A sweet, 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 sweet life.